in today's video I'm just gonna do like a rainbow look because it's June and that's like Pride month, so happy Pride to all my fellow people. I don't know. I've already primed my eyes with my Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm using my Morphe palette because it has every color of the rainbow. I'm gonna set my lid with Flashback. It's a nice neutral white shade that doesn't really show, but you know, it's there showing its love. Yep, I'm gonna take the shade You're Kidding. I'm gonna put that in the crease. And then I'm gonna take the shade 518, which is a bright orange, and I'm gonna put it next to it. And then I'm gonna take the color B, which is bright yellow, and put it here. Wow. I'm gonna go in again with the orange. I'm just dragging all the colors down to the lid. And then I'm just gonna blend this out so it doesn't look like a disaster. I've never done a look like this, and I'm excited because it's never blended so nicely before. I'm going in with Rusted because it's a little bit darker, and I felt like the orange was not as intense. It was kind of mixing too well with the yellow. As you can see, there's a lot to follow, but now for the bottom eyes, for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna take the shade Social Blade and Daddy, which is a light green and dark green, and I'm gonna mix the two. I'm gonna start there and end with purple. Or should I start with green and go purple? Cause okay, now for blue, I'm going with Playground, which is a nice turquoise. And then for purple, I will be going with Escape, which is like an eggplant color. This is the final look. I could blend out a lot of it still. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe. And happy month of Pride for everybody out there.
Okay, it's rap back to my post flat.